The sensor blocked warning in your Ford vehicle, like the Explorer or F-150, indicates an issue with the parking sensors. These ultrasonic sensors, typically 4 to 8 mounted on your bumper, detect obstacles within 6 to 8 feet by emitting sound waves. The warning appears if the sensors are obstructed or malfunctioning. Common causes include physical blockages like dirt, snow, or ice, which is the most frequent reason, sensor damage, wiring problems, or software glitches. In electric vehicles like the F-150 Lightning, battery heat can affect sensor sensitivity, increasing the frequency of this warning. Let's go through the quick troubleshooting steps for the sensor blocked warning. First, visually inspect each sensor for dirt, debris, or snow. Clean them gently with a soft cloth or compressed air. Next, try a system reset. Turn off the ignition completely, wait 15 seconds, then restart the vehicle to clear temporary errors. If the warning persists, use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes like C11100, which indicates parking sensor circuit issues. If these steps don't resolve the issue, a sensor may need replacement or a software update at your dealership. Remember to regularly clean your sensors to prevent future issues and maintain optimal performance.